Hey guys, good morning to all of you. This is Abroad Job, and today I will discuss a job openings from Saudi Arabia. It's urgent job vacancies. So there are huge job openings from Saudi Arabia, different job positions. So if you want to move Gulf country with a job, then keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. This is a urgent job vacancies from Saudi Arabia, and let's focus what is the positions. You can see here many job openings from Saudi Arabia, like home appliances, CCTV technicians, vertical transportations technicians, pest control, storekeeper, welder, pipe fitter, fire fitting, and as per position, the salary already mentioned right here. You can check it properly, and if you want to apply, you can apply as much as possible, and you will get these benefits. As you can see here, contract period will be 2 years, working hours will be 9 hours plus a day, and working for a week, and also OT applicable. So accommodation, transportation, medical insurance provided by the company, deployment within 10 days after the visa stamping. So this is very urgent job vacancies. If you want to apply any of these positions, then please contact by this email ID, and you can also contact in this number. So as I survey, this consultancy is good and genuine, and many of candidates are already moving to Gulf country by this consultancy. So without any doubt, apply as much as possible by this official email ID, and after you apply, you can follow by this number. So let's move to next opportunity. This is also a job openings from Saudi Arabia, and the position is heavy vehicle mechanic, refrigeration technicians, tech, technician cooling. So there are three types of job openings from Saudi Arabia. Salary already mentioned as per the positions. If you want to apply for this job, you should have the proper educational qualifications and experience as per the positions. If you want to apply, also this is the benefit details you can get from the company. And if you want to apply, you can follow by this number, and you can apply by this official email ID. Next, move to other positions. This job openings from also Saudi Arabia, and the client interview will be shortly by Zoom, and the position is very star. The salary will be 1450 Saudi Riyal. I hope you all know that the currency of the Saudi Arabia is Riyal, and you can calculate as per your home country currency. So if you want to apply for the barista, you can apply as soon as possible. You can get this benefits after you getting job. And if you want to apply, you can apply by this official email ID, and you can follow by this number. So first of all, I would like to suggest you please apply as soon as possible because they have limited time. And after you apply, the shortlisted process will be start. So you can follow by this number. So guys, next requirement is also a urgent vacancies from Saudi Arabia. The position is project document controller and need requirement for five candidates. So the salary will also be good, 2,500 to 3,000. If you want to apply, please apply by this official email ID. And you can follow up by this number after you apply. Next jobs, as you can see here, this is also a shortlisting in process. Zoom interview will be final in shortly, and if you want to apply, you can focus these positions. If you have relevant experience, without any late, apply as quick as possible by this official email ID. So you can see here, this is the position: HVAC foreman, network and communication supervisor, intercom system, lighting system supervisor, BMS, PAVA, access control, many type of job openings as you can see here. And the thing is, if you have relevant experience as per the position, without any late, apply as quick as possible. I already told you there have limited time. So your contract period will be 2 years, and all benefits you can get from the company. And if you want to apply, please apply as soon as possible by this official email ID and follow up by this number. So guys, I can suggest you please check it properly. If you are really eligible for any of these positions, apply as soon as possible. If you want to salary details, already mentioned right here in front of the positions. So guys, I hope you understand with the job openings. And next job is for storekeeper. If you are having experience as a storekeeper in any country or in your home country, you can apply as soon as possible. both fresher and experienced holder can be apply for this job, so don't worry for that. So if you want to apply, you can get this salary, and you should have met all of the conditions by this client which is mentioned right here. You will get these benefits also. Your duty hours will be 9 hours per day, and 2 years will be the contract period. So if you want to apply as a storekeeper, then please apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. After you apply, you can follow by this number, and the shortlisting process will be start. And if your CV will be shortlisted, of course, you can get a chance to apply the attend the interview. So next, this openings for a house driver. If you are having a experience as a house driver, and if you want to move Saudi Arabia with a house driver job, you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. And the thing is, if you want to apply, your contract period will be 2 years, and your age limit should be 22 to 40 years, not more than that. 40 years. Accommodation will be provided by the company, medical and insurance, and all the benefits as per the Minister of Affairs of Saudi Arabia. And if you want to apply for a house driver, you can apply by this email ID. After you shortlisting your CV, you can attend the interview. So you can follow by this number. They will inform you after you shortlisted your CV. You can attend the client interview and you can contact with them. So guys, next, this is also a urgent job vacancies from Saudi Arabia. The Zoom interview process will be started shortly. Position is home appliances technician, CCTV technicians, vertical transportations technicians, pest control, storekeeper, welder, pipe fitter, firefighting, plumber, tiles, installer, painter, mason, keykeeper, landscaping supervisor, and cleaning permanent labor, civil helper. So as you can see here, huge job openings, different types of job positions. If you want to apply any of these positions, you can check it, and you can check it also for the salary. And if you are really eligible and if you are interested to apply for this job, then send your CV to the given official email ID. The applying process is very simple. You have to send your documents like CV, experience details, certificates, educational qualifications, all details to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV, the shortlisted process will be start. After shortlisting your CV, you can attend the interview and you can get the information by this contact number. So guys, I am just sharing you the informations. Please check it properly and apply in the proper process. As already told you, you have to send your CV to the given official email ID and you can follow by this number. And please verify the consultancy and the person, and be ensure that your job will be confirmed. Then you can process, and you can process for the all payment details. So before verifications don't need to be moved. First of all, you can verify by yourselves to the persons after you apply. After you verify confirm, then you can move forward and you can move for the payment details. So guys, today I already shared with you different type of job openings from Saudi Arabia. If you want to apply, apply as soon as possible. As I already told you, by the official email ID you have to apply. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. And I can suggest you again, if you want to apply for any of these positions, you can apply as quick as possible because they have limited time. So the interview will be client interview will start by Zoom application very shortly. So I can suggest you apply as soon as possible. So please guys share this information to your friends and relatives who want to move Gulf country with a job, and also you can utilize these informations to apply for this job and you can get a job in Gulf country with a good salary. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will inform you about new job openings, urgent vacancies from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Best of luck.